on moving till you know what the truth